Welcome to my video. This is the Eclectic Male Witch. Just want to know what you guys think about something. I've been watching these videos and reading something called a servitor. Basically what it's supposed to be is a semi-conscious life form that somehow you create with your subconscious. It's supposed to do tasks for you. I know it sounds crazy, but I've been watching a video on it. I've just been taking notes. And I've been reading reviews from people that say it actually works. Or rather it's your subconscious that's placebo, I'm not sure. I haven't done enough research on it. I want to know what you guys think, if you ever heard of anything like that, and go ahead and research it yourself. Let me know what you think, alright? Alright, please like this video, subscribe to my channel, click the bell notification icon to be updated on my latest video. Thank you for watching my video. This is the Eclectic Male Witch. Blessed be.